Hey guys, I wanted to show you this beautiful new flip in Southwest Rochester. Let's check it out. One of the core values at Home Collective is to be a guide for our customer. So it's not always about a specific product or a specific material, but it's about getting you into the right space and making the right selections. For this kitchen, it was about the right design. What that entailed was instead of having one big center island, we actually split it into two smaller islands. The reason we did this is because there's a sink and a dishwasher on this side of the house, while your fridge and stove are on the inside of the house. And so having the split allows for ease of use in reaching both the fridge and stove while getting back to your dishwasher. It's kind of that triangle rule that every kitchen should have, is that clean line from space to space. This master bedroom is gorgeous. When we first came in, the first thing we did was swap out the carpet. Before, it was a blue shag carpet, and we replaced it with this beautiful light, low pattern carpet. It's comfortable and it shows really, really well. But what I love most is the master bathroom. Let's check it out. What I love about this master bathroom is that we were able to completely change the look of this place. Before, it was beige tile, it had a single vanity, and it was really chopped up. And so what we were able to do is swap out that single vanity for a double vanity. And then the best part was when we put in this beautiful light marble look tile, along with that same tile in the shower. And so it just brightened up the whole space, made it feel bigger, and really turned out great. This carpet is one of our most popular colors and styles. We have it stocked right now for $3.50 a square foot. That includes carpet, pad, tear out, and install. It's a great solution if you're looking to cozy up your basement or run new carpet on your stairs. We love how this project turned out. Whether you have a small bedroom of carpet you need replaced or a complete remodel, we can be your guide in the process. Reach out to us at the Home Collective.